Hi friends, I'm here to walk you through the See Think Wonder for the New Yorker article, The Stalking of a Rustically Hip Family on Instagram. So I want to go over this again because we seem to be just kind of getting in our heads about some things. So when we talk about see, we're talking about the things that I know for sure, like there's proof of them. Okay, so when we're looking at the New Yorker article, we can find the age. I would look at the, like, this is going to be at the end article, right? So it's going to be at the end of the article. We can also do things like we can talk about her birth plan. Like, what do we know about this? She's very clear. She either has one or she doesn't have one. So that's a no. Um, we can, we know where she's from. So that's explicitly stated. And you can say things like city versus rural. Okay. Um, so these are the things we are looking for. Like, what proof is there that we know these things? So, like, is she a mom? Does she have a boy or a girl? Right? So we have answers to all of these questions. Um, where does she do most of her Instagramming? Right? So those are the things that you should be able to answer. So then we take our think abouts or our the things we know for sure, and then these things lead to a think. So when we think about her age and the other things she's saying, what does that make us think about her? Maybe she has the emotions she does because she is younger or older than the Instagram fam. Okay, so we're gonna do, like, that's a think. I think that. I don't know that for sure, but that's something I think. So then another thing that we can think is about her birth plan. Like, what does having or not having a birth plan say about her? Okay. Um, another think for the city versus the rural. We don't know, like, you have to tell me which one she is, but here's some ideas. Um, her setting makes her feel blank towards the Instagram fam because it's the same or different. You have to answer these. I'm obviously not giving you the clues. Um, like the being a mom. How does being a mom affect her perception of the other mom? Or how does her not being a mom affect the perception of the other mom? Um, these are the things that we're moving towards. And then these are going to lead to the wonders, right? So we have our proof, we have our things that we're connecting, and then these are going to lead to the wonders. So I wonder what happens to women at certain ages that makes them jealous or happy for other women. Like, I wonder that. What is there a magic thing that goes off? What happens? Like, they kept talking about birth plans. Like, how many people have birth plans? I have two babies, and my birth plan was probably similar to hers, like have a healthy baby. Like, did I want it to be beautiful and stuff? Yes, but at the end of the day, it was more like have a healthy baby. Um, so another wonder, does our exposure um, affect our um, does our exposure affect our ability to um, be sympathetic or empathetic towards things? So that's how you would do one of these. So if you're struggling with the New Yorker, here's some help for you, okay? Have a great day. Thanks.